These compounds help protect brain cells from oxidative damage, inflammation, and neurotoxicity, thereby preserving cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Entering the golden years can often come with concerns about health and vitality. However, nature has bestowed upon us a simple yet potent remedy that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine: cloves. These small, aromatic flower buds of the clove tree, Syzygium aromaticum, pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits, particularly for those over 50. In this video, we'll explore the myriad ways in which incorporating just 2 cloves daily into your routine can transform your health and well-being. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to become a Golden member and join us on the journey to achieving golden health. Number 1. Boosts immune function. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural compound with potent antimicrobial properties. Eugenol has been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria, viruses, and fungi, including common pathogens like E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Candida albicans. By consuming 2 cloves daily, you introduce a steady supply of eugenol into your system, helping to fortify your body's defenses against infectious microorganisms. In addition to eugenol, cloves are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds. These antioxidants work synergistically to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are known contributors to immune system dysfunction. By mitigating oxidative damage, cloves support the optimal functioning of immune cells, including macrophages, natural killer cells, and T lymphocytes, thus enhancing the body's ability to identify and eliminate pathogens. Cloves contain bioactive compounds that stimulate the production and activity of immune cells, amplifying the body's immune response to invading pathogens. Studies have shown that certain components of cloves, such as beta-caryophyllene and gallic acid, can modulate immune function by regulating cytokine production and signaling pathways involved in immune activation. By consuming 2 cloves daily, you provide your immune system with the support it needs to mount a robust defense against infections, reducing the likelihood of falling ill. Number 2. Supports cardiovascular health. Cloves have been found to possess cholesterol-lowering properties, making them beneficial for cardiovascular health. The active compounds in cloves, including eugenol, beta-caryophyllene, and flavonoids, help inhibit the synthesis of cholesterol in the liver and promote the excretion of cholesterol from the body. By reducing levels of LDL cholesterol, commonly known as bad cholesterol, and increasing levels of HDL cholesterol, or good cholesterol, cloves help maintain a healthy lipid profile, lowering the risk of atherosclerosis, coronary artery disease, and heart attacks. Chronic inflammation plays a central role in the development and progression of cardiovascular diseases. Cloves possess potent anti-inflammatory properties, primarily attributed to their high concentration of antioxidants. By eliminating free radicals and inhibiting inflammatory mediators, cloves help mitigate inflammation within the arterial walls, reducing the risk of endothelial dysfunction, plaque formation, and thrombosis. This anti-inflammatory action promotes vasodilation, or the widening of blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure, thus lowering the risk of hypertension and stroke. Cloves contain compounds with antithrombotic properties, meaning they help prevent the formation of blood clots. Platelet aggregation, or the clumping together of blood platelets, is a crucial step in the formation of thrombosis, which can obstruct blood flow and lead to heart attacks and strokes. Certain bioactive components of cloves, such as eugenol and eugenol acetate, inhibit platelet aggregation and thromboxane synthesis, reducing the likelihood of clot formation. By incorporating 2 cloves into your daily regimen, you support healthy blood coagulation and vascular integrity, reducing the risk of thrombotic events. Number 3. Manages blood sugar levels. Insulin resistance, a hallmark of type 2 diabetes, occurs when cells become less responsive to the effects of insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Cloves have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity by enhancing insulin signaling pathways and promoting glucose uptake by peripheral tissues, such as muscle and adipose tissue. The bioactive compounds in cloves, including eugenol, myricetin, and quercetin, exert insulin-sensitizing effects, helping cells efficiently clear glucose from the bloodstream and maintain normal blood sugar levels. In addition to enhancing insulin sensitivity, cloves influence various aspects of glucose metabolism, including glucose transport, glycolysis, and gluconeogenesis. Research suggests that certain phytochemicals found in cloves, such as cinnamaldehyde and camphorol, may inhibit enzymes involved in carbohydrate digestion and absorption, thereby reducing the postprandial rise in blood glucose levels. By modulating glucose metabolism, cloves help prevent hyperglycemia, insulin spikes, and glucose intolerance, promoting metabolic health and reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications. The pancreas plays a critical role in regulating blood sugar levels by producing insulin and glucagon, hormones that control glucose homeostasis. Cloves have been found to support pancreatic health by protecting pancreatic beta cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can impair insulin secretion and exacerbate insulin resistance. By preserving pancreatic function and viability, cloves help ensure adequate insulin production and secretion in response to changes in blood glucose levels, thereby maintaining glycemic control and preventing insulin deficiency. Number 4. Alleviates joint pain and inflammation. Joint pain and inflammation are hallmark symptoms of inflammatory joint conditions such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Cloves possess potent anti-inflammatory properties due to their high concentration of bioactive compounds, including eugenol, eugenol acetate, and beta-caryophyllene. These compounds inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes, such as interleukin-1 beta and cyclooxygenase 2, which contribute to joint inflammation and tissue damage. By suppressing inflammation within the synovial membrane and cartilage, cloves help alleviate pain, swelling, and stiffness associated with arthritis, improving joint function and mobility. In addition to their anti-inflammatory properties, cloves exert analgesic effects, meaning they help relieve pain and discomfort. Eugenol, the primary active component of cloves, acts as a natural anesthetic by blocking pain signals transmitted by nerve fibers, thereby reducing the perception of pain. Clove oil, derived from clove buds, is commonly used topically to alleviate muscle aches, soreness, and arthritis pain. By numbing sensory nerves and inhibiting pain transmission, cloves provide symptomatic relief for individuals suffering from chronic joint pain, enhancing their overall quality of life. Cloves contain bioactive compounds that support cartilage health and integrity, protecting against cartilage degradation and joint degeneration. Osteoarthritis, the most common form of arthritis, is characterized by the progressive breakdown of cartilage tissue, leading to pain, stiffness, and loss of joint function. Studies have shown that certain constituents of cloves, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, possess chondroprotective properties, preserving cartilage matrix synthesis and inhibiting enzymes that degrade collagen and proteoglycans. By maintaining cartilage structure and function, cloves help slow the progression of osteoarthritis and promote joint health and longevity. Number 5. Enhances digestive health. Cloves have long been valued for their carminative properties, which help alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort, including gas, bloating, and abdominal cramps. Cloves contain volatile oils, such as eugenol and caryophyllene, that stimulate digestive enzyme secretion and enhance gastric motility, facilitating the breakdown and elimination of food particles and gas bubbles. By promoting efficient digestion and reducing intestinal gas accumulation, cloves prevent bloating and flatulence, promoting overall gastrointestinal comfort. In addition to their carminative properties, cloves exert antispasmodic effects on the gastrointestinal tract, helping to relax smooth muscle tissue and ease spasms. Conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome and functional dyspepsia are characterized by abnormal gastrointestinal motility and visceral hypersensitivity, leading to symptoms such as abdominal pain, cramping, and irregular bowel habits. Cloves contain bioactive compounds that modulate neurotransmitter release and receptor activity in the enteric nervous system, regulating peristalsis and reducing visceral sensitivity. By calming intestinal contractions and alleviating visceral pain, cloves help relieve symptoms associated with functional gastrointestinal disorders, improving overall digestive health. The gastrointestinal tract is home to trillions of microorganisms collectively known as the gut microbiota, which play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune regulation. Cloves possess antimicrobial properties that help maintain a healthy balance of beneficial bacteria in the gut, while suppressing the growth of harmful pathogens such as Escherichia coli, Salmonella, and Helicobacter pylori. Eugenol and other bioactive compounds in cloves inhibit bacterial adhesion and disrupt cell membrane integrity, preventing pathogenic bacteria from colonizing the intestinal mucosa and causing infections. By preserving gut microbiota diversity and integrity, cloves support optimal digestive function and immune defense, reducing the risk of gastrointestinal infections and dysbiosis-related disorders. Number 6. Boosts cognitive function. Cloves contain a rich array of bioactive compounds with neuroprotective properties, including antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and neurotrophic factors. These compounds help protect brain cells from oxidative damage, inflammation, and neurotoxicity, thereby preserving cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Eugenol, the predominant component of cloves, has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier and exert neuroprotective effects by eliminating free radicals, inhibiting neuroinflammation, and modulating neurotransmitter activity. By shielding neurons from degeneration and promoting neuronal survival, cloves help maintain cognitive health and prevent age-related cognitive decline. Adequate cerebral blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to brain cells and removing metabolic waste products, supporting optimal cognitive function and mental acuity. Cloves possess vasodilatory properties that help improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing cerebral perfusion and oxygenation. Certain bioactive compounds in cloves, such as cinnamaldehyde and methyl salicylate, promote vasodilation by relaxing vascular smooth muscle cells and dilating blood vessels, particularly those supplying the brain. By enhancing cerebral blood flow and microcirculation, cloves improve neuronal viability and synaptic plasticity, enhancing cognitive performance and memory consolidation. Chronic stress and anxiety can impair cognitive function and increase the risk of cognitive decline and mood disorders. Cloves possess adaptogenic properties that help mitigate the effects of stress on the brain and promote emotional well-being. Eugenol, the principal component of cloves, exerts anxiolytic and antidepressant effects by modulating neurotransmitter systems involved in stress response and mood regulation, such as the serotonin and dopamine pathways. Additionally, the aroma of cloves has been shown to have calming and mood-elevating effects, reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation through its olfactory stimulation. By modulating stress hormone levels and neurotransmitter activity, cloves help alleviate psychological distress and enhance cognitive resilience, enabling individuals to cope more effectively with the challenges of aging. Incorporating just 2 cloves into your daily routine after the age of 50 can yield a multitude of health benefits, ranging from enhanced immune function and cardiovascular health to improved digestion and cognitive function. This natural remedy, with its rich array of medicinal compounds, offers a holistic approach to aging gracefully and maintaining vitality well into your senior years. So why wait? Harness the power of cloves and unlock the potential for a healthier, happier future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out this video to continue on the path to maximizing your health and wellness. See you next time.